London is home to many expensive and luxurious properties in the world, but some folks predict Brexit will stop overseas involvement in Britain, and things are gonna be much harder than before. But London has set a new record for the most expensive home deal ever, for $262 million. You are watching Luxury Peak, and in today's video, we are going to take a look at London's most expensive home deal ever. So let's get started and speed up the details. This 62,000 square feet mega mansion has a rich history and was built in 1830s, but this huge property was once composed of 4 spacious homes, extravagant and luxurious in their own unique ways, before being converted into a single mansion 40 years back in 1980s. Evidently, it is a prime property in London, so having a history of foreign ownership is obvious. This mansion saw many famous personalities as its owner, like Prince Sultan bin Abdulaziz, who was late former Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia until his death in 2011. Previously, it was also home of late billionaire and former Prime Minister of Lebanon, Rafiq Hariri, until he was murdered in 2005. And now, when the purchase is complete, the owner will be a Chinese property tycoon Cheung Chang-kiew. This Chinese tycoon is a Hong Kong-based Chinese billionaire, businessman, founder and chairman of CC Land Holding Property Group, YT Realty and Yougang International. Chinese tycoon is fascinated with famous properties and he loves shattering real estate records. In fact, there is more public information about Cheung Chang-kiew's real estate dealings than just any other part of his life. He set his first new price record in Hong Kong in 2015 while purchasing a property on Peak for $656 million, and this deal is not the first one in UK. His company owns many properties in Hong Kong and London. One of company's property is Leadenhall Building in London, which is also known as Cheese Grater, with a worth of $1.15 billion, and also changing and refurbishing the site of former Whiteley's department store in Bayswater, West London. So since 2007, he has purchased $2.6 billion worth of property in London alone, shifting its portfolio of long-term assets from mainland China to Hong Kong and then to the UK. Cheung grew up in the city of Chongqing before moving to nearby Hong Kong after high school. He started his career by collecting electrical goods, umbrellas, watches and cassettes in Hong Kong to resell in mainland China. After setting his name in this market, he moved into property by buying agriculture property and afterwards used that to build Chongqing's first large housing project, California Garden. And now he is setting a record for buying the most expensive property in the UK, which was disclosed by Bloomberg. The 7-story house at 280 Rutland Gate, overlooking Hyde Park, was built in the 1980s and has interiors by French designer Alberto Pinto. This Knightsbridge mansion has slightly more living space than the size of an American football pitch and features approximately 45 rooms, including grand staterooms, 20 bedrooms, a swimming pool, private health spa, gym, multiple elevators, and underground parking for several cars. Mansion is located in the exclusive Knightsbridge neighborhood, a posh area which is better known for its department store Harrods, where you can find exclusive items of every designer. This giant mansion has 68 bulletproof windows that overlook Kingston Garden. This property was decorated with chandeliers, jewel-encrusted bidets, solid oak doors, velvet curtains to give the opulent royal look, and 24-carat gold-plated waste paper bins. But after the death of previous owner, Sultan bin Abdulaziz, caretakers were unable to find a new owner because the asking price for this epic mansion was so high, which was $391 million. So it was decided to sold out some of its contents, like glass chandeliers and marble bathrooms, at auction in 2015. The 55-year-old tycoon has yet to decide whether to keep the property for personal use or redevelop it as high-end apartments. And if rebuilt as condos, the property overlooking Kingston Garden would have a gross development value of 500 million to 700 million pounds, maximizing its value about 2 to 3 folds. Previously, the most expensive property record was held by Park Place, a stately home near Henley-on-Thames, which was bought in 2011 by the exiled Russian billionaire Andrei for 140 million pounds. What is your opinion about this property and which thing makes it so expensive? Write down in the comments below. That's it for today's video of most expensive home selling in London. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more luxurious videos like this. And don't forget to watch another expensive video right here. Bye bye.